Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Islands Corner. Hope you all are doing great. So today is the day 3 and the day of Dev Diwali. So let's get started. The Dev Diwali program is at the evening, so we decided to cover all other temple at the morning. Starting off with the Birla Mandir. It is situated inside a BHU campus. देर इज़ अ सेइंग दैट अगर आप अपना कोई विश नंदी जी के कानों में बोलते हो तो दैट विल बी फुलफिल्ड. Well, I kind of believe that because I have done that before and it was fulfilled. Also, I can't give all the credit to Nandi ji because I worked really hard to achieve that. After that, we went to Sankat Mochan Mandir, Tridev Mandir, Shri Tulsi Manas Mandir. Tulsidas is the one who translated Ramayana from Sanskrit to Hindi. Then we visit Durga Mandir. This is one of the Shakti Peeth. That's all for the day. Now we head back to our hotel, have our lunch and get some rest to get ready for the big evening. It's 5 p.m. now and we are going to the Kedar Ghat. Our boat is already booked, so it will be there. This is the situation of the ghat and it's obvious though. Our boat ride timing is 7:30 but we came early because टाइम के साथ साथ क्राउड बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है एंड घाट तक पहुंचना बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है इसीलिए. It's 8 p.m. and finally our boat has arrived. We were waiting for a long time and that's why we are so happy that finally we are going.
बैठे हैं और ठीक उनके पास यज्ञ का वह घोड़ा बंधा हुआ है. क्रोधित हो सभी पुत्र कपिल मुनि को घोड़े का चोर समझकर उन्हें अपशब्द कहने लगे। उधर सगर चिंतित थे। न अश्व का कुछ पता था, न ही उनके 60,000 पुत्रों का कोई समाचार।
तुम्हारे भाई थे घमंडी, अविवेकी और अभिमानी। भस्म कर दिया उन्हें मैंने, जो उन्होंने मेरी नहीं मानी।
I always wanted to experience Dev Diwali, and I'm so happy that finally I'm experiencing it. Everything is so magical, and I'm so happy with my experience. That's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at the red official island key. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, love yourself. Bye bye.